Hi, I'm Marie and welcome to my honeysuckle watercolour painting tutorial. In the full tutorial, which is available on my website, you'll learn how to build up this beautiful complex flower in step-by-step stages. By breaking down tasks into small individual parts, you'll find that you'll be able to paint absolutely anything. And you can see here that I take each individual petal and build it up in layers. So I start with a lighter wash of the main colour first, and then gradually add in the darker, more shadow areas of each element that I'm painting. I then also add in the detail of the surface pattern or texture of each separate part, just one at a time before moving on to the next petal. I adjust my colours as I go, adding in other pigments from my palette to either warm up a colour or maybe darken it. This helps to create the depth in your painting, as when you look at a subject there are always varying hues depending on the position of the different parts or petals, so it creates a more realistic image. By breaking down the tutorial like this, it takes away from the overwhelm of looking at a subject and really not knowing where to start. And then once I've finished painting in one area, I move on to the next and then tackle this. So here I'm painting in just the anthers at the tips of the filaments, making sure that I add form and shadow to each one individually. And then once I've painted in all of these, I turn my attention to the filaments, which are the tube-like stems that connect them to the plant. Throughout the painting, I pay special attention to the little details, as these add interest to your painting and really help to bring it to life. These intricate little additions can really help to give your painting a more realistic look. If you'd like to give this tutorial a go, you can find details below about joining the Watercolor Members Club, where you'll also find another 80 watercolor tutorials. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more upcoming tips and technique videos like this. So then once I've finished painting the whole flower, I move on to the leaves. Again here I start off with a base colour, a very light yellow-green, so that when I paint in my leaves I can leave spaces that indicate the veins on it, and these will show through as this much lighter bright yellow colour. And then finally I paint in the stem, making sure that I create the form that is needed to give it a curved looking surface, therefore keeping the image very natural looking. If you'd like to give this style of painting a go, there's also a link below for a free Peony tutorial where you can try out this method. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and goodbye for now.